Okay, so this lab is the electrostatic separators lab, and the first part of this lab is going to illustrate the concept of electrostatic separation. And by doing this, we're going to take a piece of wool, which is the sock in this case, and negatively charge this piece of plastic by rubbing them together. And this is charging it, charging the electrons. And then when I hold it near a pile of salt and pepper, you can see that the pepper flakes are instantly drawn towards the spatula, while the salt is somewhat drawn towards it, but much less so than the pepper. And this process is known as induction, and it mimics how the waves of an electroscope would act should this charged plastic rod be brought near an electroscope. The leaves would separate, and that's what the separation of the salt and pepper is mimicking. The second part of the lab involved the idea of illustrating how an electrostatic copier works. However, due to a lack of supplies, I cannot show that part of the lab, but in theory, it should illustrate the ideas behind a photocopier, in which the machine uses electrostatics to put the toner where it should be on a piece of paper. Certain areas of the paper are electrostatically charged, which attracts the toner to that certain area of paper, giving it the design it's supposed to have. And it's interesting to note that these same concepts that can so easily separate salt and pepper are also used in separating much different particles using electrostatics in pollution control devices and also many coal burning power plants to cut back on pollution.